If you've come across the Dachy 2.0 puppy in ads or social media, you've probably been intrigued by how adorable and futuristic it sounds, a soft, AI-powered plush pup that promises to walk around, wag its tail, tilt its head, and even respond to your touch and voice like a real little pet. At first glance, it seems like the perfect mix of toy and technology, especially for kids who want a playful companion without the responsibilities of a real dog, or even adults looking for something cute to brighten their desk or home. But when I dug a little deeper into the details, things started looking a lot less straightforward. The marketing materials are filled with vague claims of AI interactivity, yet nowhere do they mention what kind of sensors it uses, what the power source is, or even how long it lasts on a charge or set of batteries. That kind of missing information is a big deal when you're paying for what's supposed to be a smart, interactive product. On top of that, the images used on the product page don't show real-life demonstrations. They appear to be polished, AI-generated promos rather than actual photos or videos of Dachy 2.0 in action. Even the featured in BuzzFeed, Wired, and Junior claims seem questionable because there's no evidence on those sites that this product has ever been reviewed or mentioned, which feels like an attempt to boost credibility without proof. Another odd point is the reviews. The website is filled with overly positive, almost too perfect testimonials. But when you check trusted review platforms like Trustpilot or independent forums, there's no discussion at all. For a product that supposedly has gone viral, that lack of genuine outside feedback is suspicious. So is the Dachy 2.0 puppy a total scam? Not necessarily. It may exist and work in some form, but the red flag suggests that buyers need to be very cautious before spending money. Without solid proof of performance, reliable customer reviews, or even clear technical details, this AI plush pup feels more like a risky gamble than a guaranteed delight, and it's the kind of purchase you'll definitely want to think twice about before adding to your cart.